Becoming a Hero by Tate Ewers. In this presentation, I will teach you how to become a hero. Before one can become a hero, one must first understand what a hero is. So, what is a hero? According to Merriam-Webster, a hero is a mythological or legendary figure, often of divine descent, endowed with great strength or ability. Or it is an illustrious warrior. Here are some famous superheroes that most people are familiar with. Batman, Spider-Man, Superman, Captain America, Wonder Woman, and Iron Man. But what do all of these heroes have in common, and what makes them all heroes? Well, it isn't superpowers because Batman and Iron Man have neither of those. They just have money. So exactly, how does one become a hero? Step 1. Be comfortable and confident. Heroes must have the confidence and comfortability within themselves to take chances and make the impact that they would like to see. If you aren't comfortable and confident within yourself, then how do you expect others to look up to you or think of you as a hero? Step 2. Be selfless. A hero is never selfish. A real hero has the ability to let go of their ego and understands that they don't need recognition from others. Bottom line, they put others in front of themselves. Most of us have this selfless approach and do anything attitude towards our family members and loved ones. Heroes, on the other hand, have this approach towards everyone. Step 3. Promote goodness. Heroes not only eliminate the bad, but they push the good. They pass on the good and kindness in life and help others experience it. Step 4. Be the change. A hero makes change happen. Instead of talking about all the things you'd like to see happen, go out and make those things happen. The world will never be perfect. There will always be issues and there will always be problems. And that is why we will always need change. And because we always need change, we need heroes to push that change. Step 5. Be active, not passive. A hero takes action and confronts wrongdoings. A good hero is aware of their surroundings and is ready to take action when the opportunity comes. As many head coaches in the NFL have said, your greatest ability is your availability. The average person is typically very busy and is often focused on themselves. They don't notice or care about when something wrong is happening, unless it affects them. This gives others the opportunity to act and be heroic, so make sure you're always ready to act. Step 6. Find your heroes. Find a good role model to look up to. Learn from those that have helped you to become a better version of yourself. No one becomes a hero all on their own. Think about the people in your own life that have helped you during tough times. What were their characteristics? How did they help you? And how can you use that to help others? And here's the bottom line. Every single person has the opportunity to become a hero. It's up to you to become your own hero. Only you can take the steps necessary to start your journey. Thank you.